Hi all, this is Tyler Krompiatek from Canisius. In this video, we go over how to install and use the Copyleaks Teacher Scan Tool. The Teacher Scan Tool is used for individual documents. For scanning documents from the entire class, see our Create a Copyleaks assignment tutorial linked in the description. Let's get started. Create a new module in D2L. We recommend naming it Copyleaks Scanning. Then click on the eye icon to the right of the module. This will hide the module from students. Click on Add Existing Activities. Select Copyleaks Teacher Scan Tool in the menu that appears. A pop-up with a message stating that a new tool is being created will appear. Once the tool is created, we should see a link called Teacher Scanning Tool in the module. Clicking on it will send us to a new page. To begin scanning, click on Scan Documents in the upper right. Then click on Upload Files. Then choose the file or files up to 100 that we want to scan. If we need to fine-tune the scan, we can click on Scan Settings in the lower right. This will open up a new tab with the settings for the scan. Scan settings will be covered further in a different tutorial. Back in D2L, click on Scan in the lower right. Copyleaks will immediately begin to scan the documents. After a few minutes, our report should be ready to view. We can click on either of the squares with an arrow to view the report. That's it for this video. If there are any questions or comments, please email us at helpdesk@canisius.edu. Thanks for watching and have a great rest of the day.